Hello everyone. Do you know what's this? I just found it in a TNT and I bought it. Okay, so I'm gonna become mukbanger kinda, except I'm also gonna try do gaming and animation and music, but I'm also trying out being as a mukbanger. Trying to eat, first time eating a seafood, but this time I'm gonna eat this. I don't know what's this, but I'm just gonna try it out. So I think they live in a ocean and then they just grab them and then kill it. I don't know. And then it's easy to cook it by steam it. You don't have to like fry it. I don't know if you can fry it. I don't know. Like it does look kinda okay. Like I like the orange thing right there. Like see? You see? Okay. I never tried seafood, so I don't know if it tastes good. Okay, it smells good. But, it smells okay, but oh, I got it out. Alright, you guys ready for this? Okay, oh my god, it sounds so crunchy. Oh. It doesn't taste like it's okay, but it's like you're chewing a sand. Or is it because it? Or is this because this came from the beach? Because this one, no wonder it tastes like. Okay, it tastes kinda a little bit okay, but I prefer beef and chicken. Oh god. It looks like a, I don't know, mushroom mixed together. That's what it looks like to me. Oh my god, it's like you're eating a meat, and there's also a sand. Tastes like I mean, it's like sounds like a sand when you're eating it. Alright, right now I'm just gonna get some sauce. Right now, since it doesn't taste good as beef and chicken to me. Oh, okay. Dip it with the sauce. Okay, now it tastes better. Thanks to the sauce. Okay, it tastes better. Since dipped in. It tastes better with this butter chicken sauce. I just love butter chicken sauce. I even love it. I even love it to put it on pizza, hot dog. For those who doesn't like seafood, why not? You know what I do? I just put sauce. Oh god. Oh god, I just broke the shell. I'm so sorry, little guy. Oh my god, why are you dripping? Wow. Okay. Alright. 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 Okay, get out of there. Get out of there. Why is this so hard? See, look, this is messy. This one's so messy. Look at this. Oh, it's so hard eating. It's kind of hard eating seafood. Yeah, this is why I usually eat a land meat. I'm just gonna dip it in because it doesn't taste good. No offense. So different because the first shell I ate, there was like it when you chew it, it chews like it sounds like this, like there's a sand inside, but not this one. It's like some of them has sand. I don't know why. Oh, did you hear that? That sounds like a sand. God, I'm so hot. But even though it's winter, yeah, I don't know. My house is like pretty warm, 30-degree inside. Okay, this one's okay. Easy to get. Ta-da! Well, I tasted to be honest, I tasted fish before. I didn't like it when I was young. I told my parents it tastes like sea garbage from the beach, where seagulls peed in or pooped in. Like, okay, so I have no idea what's this. Like this black thing right there. That must have been like. Oh yeah, cause like when I see a clam, like this is the one that sticks out. Alright, this one's easy to get out. Not bad, at least. With the sauce. I could not eat everything without sauce. Without my butter chicken sauce. If I don't like the food, I'll just use it with a sauce. Oh dang, this is messy. I don't know, I'm not very organizative, like cleaning all that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 to go. Ta-da! I actually finished it. Look, see? It's all empty. And these are all the clams I ate. Yeah. These are all the clams. Okay. So, this is my first time doing the video. Mukbanging. Mukbang. Is that how you say it in Korean? Mukbang. Whatever. Anyway, hopefully you like this video. Subscribe for more video. And leave a like if you liked it. And have a great day. Subscribe.